Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to Fix It Easily. Okay, so guys, some people ask for me about this problem that how can you fix it if your disk usage is very high. For example, here I have 90%, sometimes 100%, and this bar is red. So here are some reasons for this problem. So first of all, just if you are not using some programs, just end those tasks. For example, I am not using Google right now, and I have a Wi-Fi connection, so I don't need it. So simply end task here folder inside I'm not using. I will end this task, and sometimes it will fix your issue, and this will automatically come down. If it is not coming down, just open your run bar. You can either go to the search and type run, or you can just go directly to run by pressing Windows plus R and type here temp, enter, and then press Ctrl plus A to solve those files. Then delete. Just press try again, and if it is not removing these files, just press skip. It is okay. And there will be many temporary files on your system. If you will clean it, then it will solve your problem. If it is not solving, the other thing is again open the run bar by pressing Windows plus R and open prefetch. Similarly, press Ctrl plus A and then delete. Here we go. This will delete your all files. If one or two files are remaining, there is no problem. Now look, it has come down to 20%, 30%, and again going up, again 90%, 93%. Okay, let me see if there are some more programs which I am not using. Here is Microsoft Edge. I am not using it. I will close it. Similarly, if there are some other programs like which I am not using, and especially the Google Chrome. I mean all your browsers, even if you are using Opera browser or Firefox, whatever it is, or Chrome, uh, they use many cookies, due to which they use most of your CPU and your memory. And if you are not using your browser, just you can end task by pressing on them, and then right from here you can end the task. Look, Google Cache Handler. I'm not using Google at this time, so I can easily end task right here. I'm using this, so I will leave it up. Okay, so guys, this was all about today. Look, now my disk is alright, and my memory is alright. Only the programs which I'm using are running here. And if it not yet solve your problem, you can again go to other temporary files. Just again go to run. Just press Windows plus R and type here percentage, percentage, and similarly press Ctrl plus A, or you can also select all these files like this. I will press Ctrl plus A and then delete. Continue. Here we go. Now this folder is also empty. This will improve your PC's performance and also reduce this disk usage and also memory usage or CPU usage. Okay, so guys, I hope that this will work. If you have any other problem with your Windows 10 performance and you are not satisfied with your Windows 10, please let me know in the comments. This was all about today, guys. If you like the video, please thumbs up the video and also subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends. Okay, thank you guys. Assalamu alaikum.